Hello students, good morning to all. So today we will continue self practice 2A. In the last class we have solved till question number 4. Now see question number 5. In this question we have to express each of the following mixed number as an improper fraction. So here mixed number is given 9 7 by 10. 9 7 by 10 mixed number is given and we have to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. See how we convert. See on the board how we convert this mixed number into the improper fraction. So this 9 7 by 10, in this 9 is the mixed number, 7 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. So this 9 7 by 10 can also be written as 9 plus 7 by 10. 9 7 by 10 can also be written as 9 plus 7 by 10. So what we do to convert this into the improper fraction? We multiply this mixed number by denominator 10, that is 10 multiply 9, 10 multiply 9 plus numerator upon denominator 10. Like this we have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. We multiply the mixed number by the denominator, that is 10 multiply 9 plus 7. 10 9 is 90 plus 7 gives you what? 97 by 10. This is the improper fraction. 10 9 is 90, 90 plus 7, 97 by 10. Like this we have to convert. Okay. So next question number 6 you see. Similarly into the remaining one. Question number 6, express each of the following as a mixed number. Now 6b, in this 6, question number B, improper fraction is given 77 by 24. Here improper fraction is given and we have to convert this into the mixed number, that is the mixed fraction. Here improper fraction given. What is improper fraction? A fraction in which the numerator is greater than denominator. You can see in this fraction 77 by 24, 77 is greater than 24. So that's why it is an improper fraction. So to convert the improper fraction to the mixed number, what we have to do? We divide the numerator by denominator. So here in the rough column, I will divide this 77 by denominator 24. So see how many times 24 will go in 77. So 24 1 is 24, 24 2 is 48 and 24 3 is 72. How many times it will go? 3 times. In 77 24 will go 3 times. 72. Subtract 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 7 0. So the quotient is 3 and remainder is 5. So the 3, the quotient you write on the place of the mixed number. So what you write? 3. And the numerator will be the remainder 5. 3 5 by and the denominator is 24. So this is the mixed number. Like this we convert the improper fraction to the mixed fraction. So the quotient, you divide 77 by 24. The quotient you write on the place of the mixed number and on the place of numerator you write the remainder and the denominator will be the same, which is the divisor. See, the denominator is same in both the case. Okay. Now we move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. Here each of the following. Question number 7 is what? In each of the following write down the largest value and the smallest value. Here some fractions are given and out of them you have to find the largest fraction and the smallest fraction. Okay. Now see how we will do. 7th A. In 7th A, 4 fractions is given. One is 2 by 11, second one 8 by 11, third one 5 by 11, fourth one 9 by 11. See, these are like fractions. You can see in this all the 4 fractions having the same denominator 11. All the 4 fractions having the same denominator 11. So this is called the like fraction. So 2 by 11, 8 by 11, 5 by 11, 9 by 11. So which is the largest and which is the smallest? So fraction having the same denominator. So how we compare? We compare their numerator because all the denominators are same. Now we compare the numerator. A fraction which has the smallest numerator, that will be the smallest value, smallest fraction. And the fraction which has the largest numerator, that will be the largest value. So here you have to find the smallest value and the largest value. So what is the smallest value in this? Smallest value means smallest fraction. So smallest value is what? See, which is the smallest numerator? 2. 2 is the smallest. 2, 8, 5, 9. These are the numerators of the 4 fractions. So which is the smallest numerator? 2. So the smallest value will be what? 2 by 11. Now what is the largest value? Largest value, see, which is the largest numerator? 9. So 9 by 11 is the largest value, largest fraction. Now we move to the next question. Question number D, 7th DV. Now 7th D you see. In 7th D, in this also 4 fraction is given. 5 by 6, 13 by 15, 23 by 30, and the fourth one is 14 by 18. 14 by 18. Okay. Now in this also we have to find the smallest value and the largest value. So see here, these are the unlike fractions. In these 4 fractions, all the denominators are different. This is 6, this is 15, this is 30, this is 18. So these are unlike fractions. So if in unlike fractions we cannot do the comparison. So first of all, we convert this unlike fraction into the like fraction. Like fraction means we make the denominator of each fraction same. So how we can make the denominator of these 4 fractions same? We have to first find the LCM of the given denominators. So first of all we find the LCM of 6, 15, 30 and 18. Now here we find the LCM of 6, 15, 30 and 18. These 4 denominators I have taken. Now I will find the LCM of these 4 denominators. So whatever the LCM will come, that will be the denominator for all these 4 fractions. Okay. Now find the LCM. 2 3s are 6. 15 is not divisible by 2. 2 15s are 30. 2 9s are 18. Now by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. Now again by 3. 5 is not divisible by 3. As it is, you write 5. 3 1s are 3. Now by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Now here all the 4 denominators become here 1 1. So we divide these all numbers to which we want to find the LCM till their quotient will become 1 1. Okay. Now the LCM will be what? Their product. Now the LCM is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. So when you multiply these numbers, what you get? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 5s are 90. So the LCM is 90. So what we do? We make the denominator of each fraction. We make the denominator of each fraction equal to LCM 90. So now see here, what you multiply in 5 by 6, so that what you multiply in 6, so that this denominator become equal to 90. See here, 2 3 are 6, 6 into 15. So 2 3 are 6, 6 into 15. So we multiply in 6 15, 15 6 are 90. Then this denominator will become 90. So you multiply the numerator also by 15. You cannot multiply in only denominator. If you are multiplying a certain number in the denominator, so you have to multiply the numerator also, so that its value remains same. Because after all, if you cancel this 15, 15 will be cancelled. Now the value will be 5 by 6 only. Next, 13 by 15. So what you multiply in 15 to get 90? Now the denominator of 13 by 15 is 15. That is 15 6 is 90. So you multiply numerator also by 6. Next you see 23 by 30. So in 30 what you multiply to get 90? 33 is a 90. So here you also multiply 3. So what we multiply in this 14 by 18. So in 18 to get the LCM 90. So in 18 what we multiply 5. 18 5 is a 90. So you multiply the numerator also by 5. Okay. Now see what this value become. 15 5 is a 75. 75 by 90. Next fraction 13 6 is a 78 by 90. Next fraction 23 3 is a 69. 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6. 69 by 90. Fourth fraction 14 5 is a 70. 14 5 is a 70. 70 by 90. Okay. So now it is easy to compare. Now see all these fractions. Now see all these fractions is converted into the like fraction. Now their denominators are same. Now we can do the comparison very easily. The fraction which has the smallest numerator, that will be the smallest value, and the fraction in which the numerator is the largest, that fraction will be the largest value. So what is the smallest value in this? Now it is easy to find which is the smallest. So the smallest value, see, out of this 75, 78, 69, 70, 69 is the smallest, and 69 by 90 is the equivalent fraction of 23 by 30. So it is easy to write. So what smallest value is what? 23 by 30. Because 69 by 90, 69 by 90 is the smallest value, and 69 by 90 is the equivalent fraction of 23 by 30. So on this place what we write? The given question fraction 23 by 30, smallest value. Now largest value, what do you write the largest value? Now the largest value is 78. See, 78 is the largest numerator. So 78 by 90, and 78 by 90 is the equivalent fraction of 13 by 15. So largest value is 13 by 15. Okay. So this is the answer. So now this is all for the today, students. So in the next class we will solve the remaining question of this self practice 2A. So thank you for your kind attention.